Hi, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Android phone. When you bought your Android phone, it might have started out working really fast, and then after a few months or a couple of years or a year, your phone suddenly slowed down. And so I urge people to fix your Android phone this way rather than installing other software, because this is like the simplest way to fix your phone without adding potential software that could just make the problem worse. So I learned this on Windows because Windows has you can hit Control Alt Delete in Windows and you can find the running processes, and then this is the same thing with Android. So yeah, so if you're Android, I'm running Android 8, which is Oreo I think it's called, and I'm on a Moto Z phone. It's a Z Force, and so yeah, my phone was pretty slow for a long time, and I had a lot of software installed on it, and I had no clue as to why it was slow. So for those of you who don't know how to do anything here, I'll show you how to do it. What you can do is you can pull your top menu, go into your settings, the little gear icon, go right to the bottom, and go to System, and then go to build number. So let's do it quickly again. So go to System, About Phone, and then build number. And then when you're on build number, keep pressing that, and if you press that a number of times, you'll unlock your developer options, and that gives you some added features on your phone. Now when you go to System, you'll see developer options here, and you can click on developer options and you'll see it says on. You can turn it back off if you want, and then you can see there's something called running services. Now on running services, you can go through a list of running services, and it'll tell you what services are running on your computer, and it'll show you the memory that it's using, and there's a timer too. It shows you how long it's been running on your computer, and each one of these you can click and it'll show you a few more details, and it tells you a little message as well, and you can stop it if you want. It has a little stop button. And so if you want to speed up your phone, what you're going to do is you're going to find that in this list you'll find, just look at the megabytes and you'll see some programs that might be like hogging the memory, hogging your memory, and if they're not part of your phone, then you can just well, in my case, I actually didn't have a program running, like I didn't have a program open on the phone, but if I went into my running processes, it showed me that that program was running even though it wasn't showing up as running, and it was using a lot of memory. So it was a program that I wasn't using recently, and I didn't use it for a long time, but yet it was still running and it was still using up tons of my memory. So what I did was I just uninstalled it from my phone, and my phone instantly was faster. So this is a good tip for you if you just say, oh well, my phone is really slow now, maybe I need a new phone. You may not actually need a new phone. Your phone might be perfect, but I would do this developer options, and I just actually figured this out in 2019, and I've had a lot of Android phones, and I kind of figured this out on my own. I didn't see a video on how to do it. I was just sort of hunting around in the developer options, and I saw it, and that's how I figured it out. So yeah, you can also look, if you're not sure of the programs, like you can go on Google and you can look at something like RCS phone. You can Google it, but it also here says it's Qualcomm. Okay, so that's what it says. It's from Qualcomm. So Qualcomm is part of the phone, so you don't want to touch that. Connect is part of Motorola, so you don't want to touch that on this phone. So yeah, you don't want to touch anything that has to do with your phone. But anything that's a program that you're not using, and if it's using a lot of memory, just go ahead and uninstall it, and you might see your phone speed right up. And then I also would do a shutdown and restart of your phone as well, just to make sure that the phone boots without everything, without the new program, the program that was giving you the problems, and so that everything uninstalls properly. And yeah, so I hope that helps somebody to speed their phone up, and without you needing to buy a new phone. And I would also do this rather than, there's all this software you can download to sort of speed up your phone. Well, this is a much better way to do it, because it's much safer to do it this way than to install a program to speed up your phone, because any programs that you install could end up just making the problem worse. Okay, thanks for watching.